Hey there, it's Stuart with Kailo Labs. I'm here answering your questions. One of the questions you give us is, what is the best way to put an adhesive on the Kailo patch? Well, I've got with me a Kailo patch and a Kailo adhesive, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, I have to warn you first that the best way to do it is not to try and take the cover off the adhesive right now, like this, but instead to marry the two up together, the print side against the back of the Kailo, like this. So they look perfectly matched. And then you grab the bottom of one, so they're glued together in your fingers, and then you pull back the adhesive, make sure it sticks, and then you pull back the other side, and there you have it. The adhesive is now on the Kailo patch. It's not sticky yet, because you still have to pull the protective layer off this side of the adhesive. And to do that, then you just work on one of the corners. You can do it with your fingernail, with your finger, and it'll come off. And once you've taken that off, then it's sticky and you can put it on your body.